Guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make these mermaid tote bags. All you need are the tote bags, which I got from Michael's, felt, glitter, Mod Podge, your scissors, and a marker, and your glue gun. What I did first was I took my green piece of felt and one of my tote bags. I am using mini tote bags, but you can make this in the large size also. And I just kind of drew, I'm going to draw a tail here. So what I did was I did about half of the tote bag, and I drew the lines on the outside and on each of the sides, and I just went down a little and then made it go like, I don't know, skinny in the middle, and then two like pointy kind of petal shapes down at the bottom. If you don't want to draw it yourself, you could just print one out, but it wasn't too hard. I have to worry about it being perfect because you are going to layer your scales over it. You just want to have kind of like a base to use. Then you'll just go ahead and cut that out. You're going to cut out your circles. I just used the top for my glitter, and I traced it onto my felt, and then I stacked a couple pieces on top of each other, and I cut that out. And I think I used about 2 pieces of felt for the big ones and a little small square for my little circles. Now we're going to glue down our scales. So you'll just take your first circle, and I left about half of it hanging off, and I just glued it down, and then I'll layer my next circle over it, maybe like a third of a piece over it, and you'll do this all the way across and down until you get to the skinny part of the tail. So when I got down to the smaller section of my tail, I used smaller circles. I just traced the water bottle cap, and I cut those out, and then you'll glue them down onto your fish tail. And I used those all the way down until I got to the end. And on the sides, I just left it hanging off like halfway. We're gonna make our bikini top. So what I did was take a piece of felt and I folded it in half, and I just cut a slanted line towards the middle, and I'll also do one on the other side. And then I made these little cloud-like shapes going around the edges. You also can print one out from the internet and trace it onto your felt and then cut it for your bikini top for the mermaid. Next, I just laid out my pieces on the tote bag, and I left a little bit of white in between the mermaid tail and the top. And I moved the mermaid tail like just a little bit, like half, not even a half. It's glued down, and that way the tail can hang off and move. So once you get it where you like it, you'll just glue it down with your hot glue gun. Next, you'll take your Mod Podge, and I covered the white piece in the center in between the two purple shells, and then you pour your glitter over it. I'm using silver glitter here, and you want to put a good amount of Mod Podge, that way the glitter will stick. And you'll just let your bag dry, and it's all done. You can see how the tail hangs off here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.